Welcome back to MSAR training. This is part 4 in our electrical safety series. In this video, we will be covering isolated power systems. So what is an isolated power system? Where would we find an isolated power system, and why is an isolated power system used? And lastly, how does that affect biomedical technicians? Well, an isolated power system are safety systems that isolate rooms, surgical suites, from earth ground and provides an early warning alarm an electrical fault is noted. It decreases electrical shock potential. The system is composed of 2 ungrounded conductors. In the event of a fault, it sounds an alarm or it opens a circuit breaker and the patient or doctors are not harmed. In healthcare, these are mostly found in surgical procedure areas, where there's a potential for fluid to be on the floor in the workspace when patients are present. This is considered a wet location. NFPA 99 defines wet procedure locations as an area in the patient care room where a procedure is performed that is normally subject to wet conditions while patients are present. This includes standing fluids on the floor or drenching the work area, either of which is a condition intimate to the patient or staff. Furthermore, NFPA 99 requires wet procedure locations to have special protections against electric shock. These special protections affect biomed because biomed needs a well-grounded outlet in order to perform electrical safety tests. So NFPA 99 requires biomeds not to perform electrical safety testing on the load side of an isolated power system or a separate isolation transformer. This is because the test will not be valid when performed on the load side of an isolation transformer or isolation power system because the values obtained will be falsely low. And most of your safety analyzers will tell you when you're in an ungrounded outlet. But once again, do not perform electrical safety tests inside surgical rooms or other areas with isolated power. Most electrical safety analyzers will tell you when the room is ungrounded. Now, if the surgical suite has been built recently, it may have an outlet in there that is grounded, and it will be labeled as a grounded outlet. Thank you for watching. Please join us in our next training video.